I think Miami is just an absolutely terrible job. I think this program is bankrupt. I think it has a delusional fan base thinking that this is the 80s and the 90s and maybe even the early part of the new millennium. I don't get it. I don't know why any coach in their right mind would want this job.
Outside the top 15, you're looking at as a possible playoff contender.
Well, I mean, I think you have a couple of possibilities. I actually like Northwestern from not even in the pack. I think Louisville, maybe Miami under Mark Richt in year 2. They came very close last year, so I think those are a couple. It's always hard to pick one, but I think the U is back.
Is over. The monsters in my head are scared of love. Finding people, listen up. It's never too late to change your love. So don't let them steal your life.
Twerk it, baby. Can you see it? The worst is over. The monsters in my head are scared of love. Finding people, listen up. It's never too late to change your love. So don't let them steal your life.
It's forever.